Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is made for beginners. I'm going to show you how to say numbers from 1 to 10 in Chinese. I will pronounce each character slowly and clearly, guiding you to reason one by one. And at the same time, I will show you how to write them with pictures. So don't forget to give me a like. Let's get started. On this page, I have shown the Chinese characters from the number 1 to 9. And now, let's read them one by one. So we start from this word. This character is E. E. It is very simple to write, just one horizontal line. So you can read after me. E. E. And then this word is R. R. You can read after me. R. R. It's pronounced with the first tone, a foreign tone. So to write it, just two horizontal lines, the top one and the bottom one. The next word is san. San. You can read after me. San. San. So you can read it with three horizontal lines. The up one, the middle one, and the bottom one. And this word is si. Si. It's a foreign tone. You can read after me. Si. Si. Well, so you can see this word is not four horizontal line like the word 1, the word 2, and the word 3. I think it's maybe a little tricky for you to write it, so you need more practice. And this word is 五. 五. Pronounced with the third tone. So go down and then go up. You can read after me. 五. 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 You can write it with this stroke order. So now let's review the word 1, the word 5. This one, E. E. This one, R. R. And this word, san. San. This word, si. Si. And then, 五. 五. And the next four characters is the number 6 to the number 9. This word is 六. 六. It's a foreign tone. 六. 六. And the next one is 七. 七. It's a flat tone. 七. 七. The next one is 八. 八. And the last one is 九. 九. The third tone. So go down and then go up. 九. 9. Okay, let's review the number 6 to the number 9. This word 6. This word 7. This word 8. And this word 9. Alright, let's move to the next page. So this character is 0. 0 means 0. When you see this character for the first time, you might feel a little confused why it is so complicated. But I think it might be easier if you think it as two parts. Two parts. The top part and the bottom part. So in terms of structure, the upper one is 雨, this, which means rain. And the lower one, 令, which means order. So see the upper one, see this. You can imagine a picture like the rain falling down, down, and until it is 0. And the lower part, so this, the lower part give this word the pronunciation. So you can see 0 means 0 and 令 means order. They sound like the same. Alright, let's go back to the word itself. 0. You can read after me. 0 means 0. The structure is here. Maybe a little complex, so you can pause the video if you want. And alright, we learned the number 1 to 9 on the last page. Next is 10. It's pronounced with the second tone. It's a rising tone. Rising. You can read after me. 10. As for how to write it, I'm sure you will like it. A horizontal line and a vertical line. Alright, then with a little quiz. So the question is, which character represents the number 8? You can choose from the 4 options A, B, C, and D. So the answer is this one. And actually, the number 8 is considered as a lucky number in Chinese culture. The pronunciation sounds very similar to the word getting rich in Chinese. So it's usually symbolizes prosperity, successful career, and maybe good luck. So people love to use this number 8 for the things like phone numbers, like license plates, and the things like that. Alright, in today's video, we have covered the number 0 to 10 in Chinese. You are also welcomed to join my Discord learning group. Inside, you can find PDF files for the stroke orders, which you can download, print it out, and practice writing. I hope these materials will help you learn Chinese. So at the end of the video, I also want to thank 2 friends, Mitchell and Alex. Thank you for your support and encouragement. 谢谢你们的支持和鼓励。Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye.